Let me ask you a simple question. When you say marketing works, how do you really know? Is it because the ad looks nice? Is it because someone says good job? Or is it because you can prove it with numbers? Today, I will share with you the most important marketing KPIs you must understand in your first year. No complicated theory, no hard formulas, just simple metrics that answer one question. Is my marketing actually working? Let's begin. First, what is a KPI? KPI means Key Performance Indicator. In simple words, a KPI is a number that shows direction. Think about driving a car. Speed tells you how fast you go. Fuel tells you how far you can go. Marketing KPIs do the same thing. They tell you what works, what does not, and what to fix. Now, let's talk about awareness KPIs. These KPIs answer one question. Do people know we exist? First, impressions. Impressions mean how many times your content is shown. If your ad appears 10,000 times, that is 10,000 impressions. Simple. Impressions do not mean sales, but without impressions, nothing starts. Next, reach. Reach means how many different people see your content. Your ad appears 10,000 times. It doesn't mean that 10,000 people will see it. In fact, some people will see it, some people won't see it, some people may see it once, some people may see it 5 times or 10 times. To make it simple, let's say 10,000 times your ad appears, but only 2,000 people see it, and on average, each person sees your ads 5 times. If reach is too low, your brand is invisible. Next, engagement KPIs. Now people see your content. The question becomes, do they care? Engagement includes likes, comments, shares, and saves. Engagement rate shows how interesting your content is. High engagement means your message connects. Low engagement means wrong message, wrong audience, or boring content. Remember this, engagement is feedback from the market. Now, traffic KPIs. People see your content, then they click. This is called click-through rate, or CTR. CTR answers this question. Out of everyone who saw my ad, how many clicked? 1,000 views, 20 clicks. Then CTR is 2%. CTR tells you if your headline works, if your offer is attractive. Low CTR means something is wrong. Now we reach the most important part, conversions. A conversion means someone takes action. They buy, they sign up, they leave contact. Conversion rate tells you how many visitors actually do something. Marketing without conversions is just noise. Next is cost per conversion, also called CPA. CPA answers one question. How much money do I spend to get one customer? If you spend $100 and get 10 customers, your CPA is $10. Here is a golden rule. If your CPA is higher than your profit, you are losing money. Now let me tell you why KPIs matter for your career. Many junior marketers talk about ideas, design, creativity, but marketers who understand KPIs get trusted. They get promoted. They get paid more because KPIs speak the language of business. Let's recap. By your first year, you must understand impressions, reach, engagement rate, click-through rate, conversion rate, cost per conversion. You do not need to master everything today, but if you master these basics, you are already ahead of most beginners. In the next video, I will show you how these KPIs connect as one simple system. If this helped you, please like, subscribe, and comment.